Today we're gonna absolutely destroy the 5-minute chart of Bitcoin, and we're gonna do it by using the Supertrend indicator. I'm going to show you how I like to use it together with Stochastic RSI. Today's strategy is for day traders who like to be active in the market and take a lot of trades with small gains that accumulate into something big after a while. Here I have a Bitcoin chart, and the time frame I'm using today is 5 minutes. That's a dangerous time frame in my humble opinion, but it's a fast one and people want to make money fast, so here it is. Underneath I have my Stochastic RSI indicator, which is a built-in indicator here on TradingView. And of course, I also have the Supertrend indicator applied to the chart. Let's take a look at the settings of these two indicators. Supertrend's ATR length is set to 14 and the factor setting is set to 5. On Stochastic RSI I tweaked two settings. First, I changed D from 3 to 2, and then I also decreased stochastic length from 14 to 7. This way, this indicator is going to respond to price changes faster. Another thing I've done is that I disabled the K line so it doesn't show. For this strategy we only need the D parameter of the Stochastic RSI indicator, and it looks much nicer now with only one line. Okay, now we're set and ready to start trading. First, I will go through all the rules for buying and selling, and after that I'm going to show you my backtesting results. I think you're gonna like my findings, but I must warn you, the results are going to be crazy. Now let's get to the strategy rules. 1. This strategy only takes long trades. We are keeping it simple, so there will be no shorting. Rule number 2. We are only taking trades in an uptrend. That is when the Supertrend indicator is green, like here. 3. When Supertrend is green and the Stochastic RSI crosses over 80, we get a buy signal. This is our trigger bar, and we are going to enter a trade where this bar closed. 4. To determine our stop loss, we are again going to use the Stochastic RSI. We go back from our entry point and search for the area where Stochastic RSI was below 20. Now we look at the price in this area and find the lowest point. In this case it's here. So this is where we are putting our stop loss. Rule number 5. We will be trading with a 1:5 risk-reward ratio, and that means that we are putting our take profit here. Rule number 6. If Supertrend turns to red, we immediately close the position. And the last rule, which is quite important, if the price doesn't reach any of the exit points after 200 bars, we exit the trade regardless of the outcome. If a trade needs more than 200 bars to finish, which is more than 16 hours, the trade is obviously not a strong one, so it's time we close it and move on searching for better opportunities. Now that we have everything set, let's make an example trade to make it all clear. First, we wait for the Supertrend to become green. Then, we wait for the Stochastic RSI to cross over 80. This is our trigger bar, so we need to determine the two most important parts of any trade: the stop loss and our profit target. For the stop loss, we search for the most recent swing low, which is determined as the lowest point in this area where Stochastic RSI is below 20. When our stop loss is set, we multiply that by 5 and set our take profit level. Now we wait for the trade to unfold. In this example, Supertrend turned red. None of our stop prices were hit, but our trade turned out to be profitable anyway. A perfect moment to practice gratefulness. Before I show you all the trades, let's just take a look at the bigger picture of what Bitcoin did in the last 6 weeks. This is the 1-hour chart, and this is the price action that our strategy is going to be dealing with. As you can see, the price has been moving in a downward channel for the past 6 weeks. Now let's take a look at the trades. Here are 69 trades that this strategy made in 6 weeks. I'm starting with $1,000 in the account, and I will be risking 2% of the account with each trade. As mentioned before, the risk-reward ratio is 1 to 5. Keep an eye on the value of the account as the trades go by. You will see that the secret to success lies in the big winning trades, which are rare but have the most impact on the account. Let's go! And here we are, after 69 trades, our account is at $1,484. That's almost 50% profit in 6 weeks. Thank you, namaste. But don't get carried away with this beautiful number. This strategy probably doesn't perform this good on a larger dataset. Unfortunately, 6 weeks of data is all we get on TradingView for a 5-minute time frame. Also, it must be noted that trading commission is not included in this calculation. Day traders know that trading commission is one of their greatest enemies. The commission amount depends on the broker you use, but after 69 trades, I think it's safe to say that if we were trading on the Binance exchange, we need to decrease our result by roughly 15%. But anyway, I think this strategy could be a good starting point for some of you to make use of it, develop it further, and build something that will make you money in the long run. If the 5-minute time frame is not for you, check out my other video for trading Bitcoin using a daily time frame. It's less profitable, but it takes way less time, only 2 minutes a day. None of this is financial advice, of course. This video is for educational purposes only, so you can see what it looks like to trade with a strategy and see example trades. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, stay safe, use stop losses, and I will catch you in the next one. Bang bang!